We are animal lovers in this family. I grew up on a farm. We have a farm now where we have all different kinds of animals, and we clean them, take care of them, water them. We have someone that's there when we're not there. My mom and dad go out to see the animals 3 times a day. We have 8 kittens, dogs, everything you can imagine, and we love it. We think of animals as part of us. And I've said this before, in societies and with people, when you take care of animals, it matters. Just like when you take care of older people or younger people, they are here for us to take care of. But in my opinion, they have a soul, they have a spirit. That's just what I personally feel. I feel like our dogs, and we've had lots of dogs. We usually have 3 to 4 dogs at a time. We have right now Willie, and we have Coco. For me, it really matters they're taken care of, along with our cats, and giving them the things that we've made with Bill and Coo are such an important part of that. Most of our animals live to be about 14 years old, which is not typical of small dog breeds that are like micro palms and things like that, but we really take care of them. And that starts for us with clean pets. And the reason that matters so much is your animals are exposed. Sorry, guys, I'm having problems with it. They're exposed at all times to pollution, to microplastics, to chemtrails, to things that are in the grass like pesticides, and it's all around them. Mm-hmm. And dogs have had more and more. Can you hear me, Decatur?
Yes, we can. And if everyone could make sure that they're muted on their mics, I'm checking the mutes. So is Roland, and so is Duquesne, and so is Vanya, I think so.
Okay. I just thought someone else was talking. I was trying to make sure. But the animals for us are so important in their health. And we understand that dogs, cats, cows, horses, sheep, pigs, goats, all the things that we have at the farm, that they also deserve attention. So we aren't just treating our dogs with the clean pets. I know a lot of you guys that are on the phone, and I've seen some of you guys that talk about horses, and yes, the horses as well should be having clean pets, because starting with trying to detox the animals is so important. And you guys know this, our detoxification with Clean Slate and Clean Spirits is not just a detoxification, it's a supplementation as well. I think that's why we are so different than other brands that are out there. Even our detoxification platform, which consists of almost every product we have, has a supplementation factor. We understand that now we are here during a critical era of life, right? Our world is not the same as it was 20 years ago. Listen, guys, it's not the same as it was 6 years ago. So we have to take care of our bodies first, and then our family and animals, right? Being able to detox, and the Clean Pets is actually a very similar version than Clean Slate. People ask me all the time if they can take Clean Pets instead of Clean Slate, and my answer is yes. It's not quite as strong. It's made in a little bit of a different format, but I used frequencies. I used the same patented technology that I used with Clean Slate and Clean Spirits to make sure that I'm cleaning things out and supplementing them at the same time. And when I say that, I want to stop for 1 second and explain the patents and why we're different than other brands. I'm not just going in and using frequencies and polarization and magnets to try to really create bioavailability and efficacy and safety. I'm cleaning through a multitude of processes so that we understand everything we're putting into our body is clean. We know that vitamins, minerals, and everything around us is basically touched by GMOs and pollution. So that means anything we put in our body, whether we're eating it or it's a supplement, we have to clean it. We worry about pharmaceuticals because we say that pharmaceuticals and different shots can hurt us, and that's true. But I want to say this, nutraceuticals also need to be taken care of. That's why us passing the NSF audit, us passing the GMP audit, us doing non-GMO, us doing halal and kosher is so important. And we don't just do that for people, we do that for our animal brand. If you go online and look at the beets that are available, which are in our Relive greens and our animal products as well, I want you guys to know that those beets are more expensive if you were going to go buy that from another company. Our products are priced in a way to make sure you can afford them for your animals. We do understand your animals are important, and we understand that they need the ability to detox as well as supplements. And that's why when we got into the greens formulation, and when I did, I made it similar to our Relive greens, but I also changed it because I wanted to add beets, which we understand can help with the dogs and the animals, even your horses and your pigs and everything else with the microbiome. It actually is a very strong antioxidant for animals. And I used a combination of the pulp and the beet and the juice and everything else so that you guys can really have that for your animals. We know it's an antioxidant. We know that it can help clean up the pathways and support the cellular health of animals, even more than human beings. And that's why some of the formulations are different. But I've said this before, we don't encourage everyone to take their animal products, but I take our animal products because it's the same. It's a human grade made product with the same patented techniques where I'm cleaning it out. And again, the answer when people ask me, why am I doing this for animal products? Because I care about our animals just as much as I care about other people. I think animals are super important and that we need to take care of them. So when we look at that, even with the collagen that is being used and everything to really support the overall health of the animal, that was another product that was extremely important. Animals don't need to just be cleaned with clean pets. They also need to be supported, and that's why longer lives and the other products we have are so important for them. They've got to make sure that they have the support they need, because after you've detoxed an animal, they still have to have the pathways which will support what they're doing. A lot of animals are constantly in need of producing the collagen in their body because as they age, running, walking becomes not as easy. The older the animals are, the harder it is. Our dog Hiccup, for example, at the end of his life, couldn't hardly walk. He stopped being able to use the bathroom. He was about 14 years old. And I think he probably would have only lived 10 or 11 years if it weren't for
Oui,
the
mais
Clean Pets formula
plus longtemps pas.
and all the formulas that we have behind Bill and Coo, which is why I think it's super important that people understand you can help an animal's lifespan. You can help an animal when they have different things like fatty tumors and cancer and different things that are occurring with them. Even Duquesne and I were talking this weekend. Kelly was over at the house and we were talking about Augie because I love Augie and hopefully he's going to come stay with me when they have the baby. But he's older. He had Hiccup and Halfifi. Both of those dogs were older when they died, but when they get to be 13 and 14 years, you want them to live as long as possible. And being able to help animals when they get sick, or even when you think they're okay, but they're not because they can't talk to you, is very, very important. And just regular food does not cut it. It's like saying we don't ever need supplements. Like we don't need to detox. So I want you guys to think about this for a second. Dogs are exposed to worms and parasites everywhere. And that's another thing about the Bill and Coo line. The entire line is helping really target fungus, parasites, bacteria, and viruses, just like Clean Slate does. I'm very careful not to say we get rid of all those things, but when I talk about Clean Spirits and Clean Slate, with humans, I talk about how it helps us in all these areas. With animals, it's the same thing. You need to detox the body before you can really help the different pathways, whether it has to be with nutritional components or hormone components or reproduction. All of those are so important to an animal, just like they are to us. So for us to think we don't have to worry about our animals and supplementation is not the correct format of thinking. We need to understand they are like us. They do need help. And they can't go to the store and buy a supplement. They can't choose what they want. So it really has to do with us and how we manage our animals. And that part of that is explaining the pathways within an animal and how the cellular health is of an animal and how it communicates. It's very similar to ours. There are some differences, which is why I made some different formulations for their products for Bill and Coo. But same thing, they need to have their cellular health communicating so the cells talk. You've got to get rid of the cells that are cancerous or bad, get rid of the autoimmune disorders, and the only way to do that is to really give your animals the support to clean them out and then support them. And I don't know about all the other animal lines, but what I do know is ours is put through the same patented procedure with frequencies, with polarization, with magnets, with triple testing to make sure about the heavy metals and everything that's in it so that we can make sure we give our dogs something that's healthy. If you want to give your dogs beets, but they haven't been cleaned and they haven't gone through the frequency and the patented process, it's not the same. And even at that, ours is a much cheaper route than most of the animal products out there.